down there is the bridge to nowhere. We'll zoom to that in a minute, but this is the area. There's a benchmark over here, Bonita C2, 1954. I don't know the altitude, I'll have to check. There's the bridge. By Bonita South. Big iron. Looking out over there. There's a trail that goes to Airplane Flat. I thought it came down from, or it came up from near the bridge to nowhere, but I followed it around this bend. Here it is. Goes all the way around here. South Mt Hawkins is out there. That's Rattlesnake Peak, the summit up there. And yeah, it's pretty big. The name of this is Devil's Gulch right here, I believe. Yeah, this is Devil's Gulch. But it's weird, you can watch it go across here through that thick brush. Hard to follow over here even. But I don't know where the hell it goes or why it does what it does. Figured you'd be able to go downhill. I love falling down. But anyway, gotta go down that way. No idea where the hell the trail went. Club. Halfway. Fuck. All right. Oh, I finally got it. Oh no, I don't. No, I don't. A little hard to film at the same time. Mega special jump. My balance is incredibly good. I'm cold. The water is cold. This may not be high, but it's cold. Iron Mountain. Here we go. Here. It's the warm sun. It was warm today, but hey, look it. There's a fish down there. If I can catch one of them. Catch them with my mind. Allahu Akbar! Ow! Sinus explosion! it.